Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. Today during our overhead garage door portion of the inspection, I want to point out the spring on this garage door. You see where it comes up, it's bolted. You see the safety cable right there through the eye bolt. That all looks real good and real nice. We're going to step over to the next garage door. We see where the spring comes up, wraps around the 2x4 and goes up. This spring has been stretched, it is out of tension, and it's improperly sized for this door. And it does not have the safety cable that comes through the spring and connects up here. So what happens is when this door is under pressure, or in the down position, this spring has a lot of pressure on it. If this spring breaks without that safety cable on there, it has the potential, it can actually go all the way across the garage through a human being and embed itself in the wall. The safety cables run anywhere from about $10 to $15, and that'll do both springs. So I always recommend those cables and having proper size springs. So remember, for all your home inspections in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East area, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.